going to demonstrate how to use the new remote duplicator to copy the code from the original remote. This is the original remote that can control the lights. And this is our new remote duplicator. We cannot control the lights now. So let me introduce how to use it. First, you need to delete the code. Press both buttons at the same time. The LED will flash. Release the left and press 3 times. You can see the LED flash quickly. That means the code is deleted successfully. And second, we need to copy the code from the original remote. Put all remote close together and press the same button at the same time. You can see the LED flash means the code has learned. And do the same thing to the another button too. The LED flash means it is successful. Now we can use this remote to control the lights now.